Hey guys, welcome to Protein Treats. I'm super excited you're here. I'm Melanie Wildman. I am the founder and the creator of Nutracelle's Nutralean, and I'm super excited today because I'm making one of my most favorite ways to start the day, and that is an iced coffee with caramel. Now I know that sounds like it's going to be full of sugar and it's going to be high in calories, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make one that is sugar-free, that has no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial flavors. It's packed full of super healthy natural protein and natural prebiotic fiber that actually heals your body from the inside out and helps you grow your own healthy gut flora. So let's get started and show you how to make this super yummy treat. All right, to make this, all you need is some coffee that you've brewed and let come down to room temperature. If you want to be super fancy, you can actually take your coffee and put it in an ice cube tray so that you have frozen coffee to put right in your blender. But I just have some room temperature coffee here that I have gone ahead and brewed, and it's just been sitting out here getting nice and cool for the last hour or so. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my coffee in. And I've got some ice here. You can't really have iced coffee if you don't have ice to go with your iced coffee. So we'll put that in there. And of course, I have our caramel Nutralean. Now, what's so amazing about this is not just how incredible it tastes, how incredible it smells, but it's all natural. There's no artificial sweeteners, there's no artificial flavors. And I'm gonna pour this in really, really slow because I want you to see how fine this is. We've double milled this, and why that's so important is it mixes perfectly, and that is the secret behind it. Not just the quality of the ingredients, but also how we actually make it. It's just amazing. This smells so good, you guys, you have no idea. So I'm gonna go ahead, I wanna make enough for 2 whole smoothies here, so I am putting 4 scoops in, or 2 scoops per. And remember this, we're not using any cream, we're not using any other ingredients. We've just got some fresh brewed coffee, a little bit of ice, and our salted caramel. This is gonna be so good. Just wait and see how thick and creamy this turns out. All right, let's blend this up. Have to blend for a second or two, and you can see, even look here at my tamper, how absolutely thick and creamy this is. We haven't used any cream, we haven't used any milk, and yet it looks like we have, and that's because of that Nutralean. Now look how this pours. It's absolutely so decadent, so thick, and now I've got a way better than Starbucks, sugar-free, all natural, and super delicious iced coffee with caramel. Let's give it a try. Oh, I could start every morning this way, you guys. This is the way to make sure that every morning starts off in a good mood. Absolutely filling, delicious. You can replace breakfast with this. You could even replace lunch with this. It is so delicious and so guilt-free. Make sure that you comment below and ask me what you want me to make for you for a next recipe, whether it's salted caramel or chocolate, vanilla, or if you want me to make some yummy treats or even a dinner. Just let me know what you want in the comments, and make sure you subscribe, hit that little button with the bell so that you get the notifications when we have a new delicious recipe coming your way. And of course, I am super excited for all of you to be able to live a healthier life with the food that you love. And I'll see you guys back here next week. You're gonna have to excuse me because I have to drink this. It is so delicious. See you guys.